Hey guys, today we're reviewing 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6 again. This is another 168 kilowatt Ultimate, and yeah, 74 plate 2024. So this is a slightly later one. I think these came out for 2023 model year. The Ioniq 6, really nice looking thing. I think they look nicer than my Ioniq 5s personally, and my Ioniqs. So yeah, you get adaptive LED front headlights standard on all trims, with these sort of LED crystal looking bars and two projector beams, and yeah, these aerodynamic vents at the front. This car's finished in Biophillic Blue pearl, which is sort of a really deep, it almost looks like black. It's a very deep blue. I just reviewed two transmission blue cars, which is sort of a really light primer grey with a blue tint to it, but this is actually really nice looking in the sunshine. It's almost like a phantom Audi black, just like a black with a blue pearl. But yeah, obviously nevertheless a blue pearl. And yeah, all models come standard with 20-inch diamond cut alloys, premium and ultimates, and they're wrapped in Pirelli P0s. So yeah, Biophilic Blue is a launch colour for the Ioniq 6, and all the first editions came in Biophilic Blue, but sadly those came with tartan cloth interior, so the ultimate benefits from having black leather. So yeah, you had three different trims: a premium, ultimate, premium first edition, and my ultimate being the pinnacle trim. And yeah, you've got privacy glass at the back, and you've also got a rear brake light. Premium and ultimates come with privacy, and yeah, you've sort of got this Porsche whale tail designs rear spoiler, and ultimates come with these flush door handles, these electronic flush door handles, which is quite nice, and electric tailgate by clicking this button. Quite a nice like brake light bar. It's sort of like a pixel LED looking bar with these again these crystal sort of dots. And yeah, got some storage underneath here, your tyre inflation kit, brand new, and yeah, relatively, you know, good condition and low mileage. It's almost like brand new really. And yeah, just a really nice colour, this Biophilic Blue. It's probably my favourite colour on these. Yeah, got electric charging flap on my ultimate trims as well. And moving on to the back, you've got full black leather interior with black headlining, and yeah, this is real leather. Obviously only the ultimate trims ever came with leather. First editions came with tartan cloth, and premiums came with cloth interior. You've got heated rear seats in my ultimate as well. Premiums also have that, but yeah, you've got some sort of plastic leather or sort of artificial leather on the door panel here, but plastic, and this see-through sort of storage bin on the bottom with the BOSE speakers in plastic and a sort of metal look, which is really nice. You've got Ioniq 6 floor mats in black. It suits the black leather cars quite well, because the grey leather cars actually also come with black carpets, which looks a bit odd. But yeah, you've got two USB-C ports in the back, two aircon vents, and you've got sort of an ergo motion touch rear passenger seat function, where you can move the front passenger seat from the rear by using these buttons, and you can also recline it by clicking this two-way rocker switch. And yeah, got some LED headlights and some sort of satin chrome door handle trim, along with these satin chrome Ioniq 6 trim plates. Blind spot assist. And yeah, you've got 10-way electrically adjustable driver's seat with a two-way rocker switch for relaxation. If you just hold this button, it basically just fully reclines the seat back. And you've got two-step memory, the BOSE audio system with 7 speakers, active sound design, and a subwoofer. The subwoofer is actually in the boot. It's upward firing on that deck shelf there, which is quite nice. And yeah, Ultimate also adds to the premium by giving you electric tilt inside sunroof. This is sort of like a large panel sunroof. It's like a bit larger than just a small tilt inside sunroof, but not as big as a panoramic one. So it's quite a nice contrast, that is. Sort of tinted, and you've even got electric blinds, same with the Konas. I think it's basically the same for sunroof as the new shape Kona. And yeah, you've got this sort of boomerang looking LED light bar in the middle here. Sort of looks quite funky 1960s retro, and some LEDs there, along with some sun visors and an LED headlight, which is still wrapped in plastic, which is nice. You've got sort of flat bottom steering wheel. The 4 dots in the middle is in Morse code for H for Hyundai. And when you change the drive mode, this is only on my Ultimates, you get these the LED blinking at you. So Eco's green, normal's again white, and then red sport. So quite nice. You've also got a heads-up display on the ultimate trims with your speed limit, speed and lane keeping assist. And you've also got heated and ventilated front seats on the ultimate. So the premiums already get heated seats with heated steering wheel and heated rear seats, but the ultimate adds to that by giving you dual front ventilated seats and wireless phone charging as well, which is nice. Premium ultimates. And yeah, adaptive cruise with self-driving sort of steering assist there, and this flappy paddle, and like I said, the BOSE sound systems in addition to the premium trim. And yeah, you've got some features as well, such as a surround camera system on the ultimates as well, with this sort of 3D view, bird's eye view, and a car, the augmented reality looking car. And yeah, you've got some nice physical buttons. Climate's mostly physical. You do have to turn the air conditioning on and heat from this setting, and this actually increases your range, which is quite nice having that. But yeah, apart from that, you've got your like physical fan, your demister, your temperature, and almost physical seat controls. It's just on here, but you just click a quick hot button there. And yeah, you've got your safety features, including lane keeping, driver assist, speed limits, and your heads-up display. You've also got an active sound design, which plays a speaker through the plays a sort of cyber sort of noise through the speakers for BOSE. I think only cars with BOSE come with that. And you've got a service interval indicator, which is quite nice. I think it's every year on these. But yeah, you've also got ambient lighting, which is quite nice. And yeah, you can also link it to your drive mode. So if you're driving in sport, it will be red. And you've got your seats, easy access for the driver. But yeah, you've got all your driving safety. So you've got forward collision, lane keeping, blind spot, exit warning, and when you're like reversing, it will like stop the car and pull the brakes if you get too close to oncoming traffic. You've also got your electric mirror controls here. This one benefits from not having those digital mirrors, which can be a bit of a faff because they get condensation and they're not exactly engineered that well, the electronic digital mirrors with the screens in them. But yeah, sunroof's quite nice. Obviously from the outside it looks a lot larger than what it is. Very nice, blends in nicely with the Biophillic Blue. You wouldn't even know the car's got a sunroof. And yeah, these LED headlights in action, and you've got these aircon vents, these sort of air vents which open, these flaps which open with aerodynamics. So obviously it's 168 kilowatt rear wheel drive car, so it's got 220 brake, over 200 miles worth of range, and yeah, rear wheel drive. So combined with the Pirelli P0s, you don't get that massive front wheel drive spin with the Konas, which you always get. So rear wheel drive and Pirelli P0s is quite nice handling. It's nice that they actually give you that. And yeah, all Ultimates also come with remote controlled parking assist. So holding this button allows you to start the car up, and then clicking these sidle switches. Also the key's sort of like Hyundai. It's got like a H. All the new Konas, Ioniqs and Santa Fe's and Tucson's have this Hyundai looking key, which is quite nice. But yeah, overall quite nice to show off to people. And you've got some satin sort of chrome trim on the bottom of the bumpers, along with black window surrounds and matte privacy. So yeah, obviously one owner, ex-Motability, and still got 5 years, almost 5 years warranty left. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.